Welcome to Adventure by Footnotes. I'm Esteban, your guide for today, and together we're going to explore the castle of the city of Amphissa, also known as the Castle of Salona or Orion, a castle with a violent history ranging from ancient times to the Second World War. Amphissa is located in the region of central Greece, 200 kilometers from Athens and 25 kilometers from Delphi. It is located on a rocky hill at an altitude of 225 meters and stands on the site of the ancient Acropolis. The castle we see today was mostly built by the Franks in the 13th century, but also retains many elements from the Byzantine and Classical periods, as well as later modifications. The castle has a rich and violent history beginning with the mythical Pelasgians and classical antiquity to the more recent times like the World War II. Amphissa was important in the classical period for a good reason. It was the closest city-state to Delphi, which, in those days and for the Greeks, was the center of the world. It also had an advantage of a strong fortification. Parts of the ancient Acropolis walls date back to the 7th and 6th century BCE. The most notable event in the ancient period was the total destruction of the city and the Acropolis by Philip II of Macedon in 338 BCE. The Amphicians managed to rebuild their city and later became a powerful member of the Aetolian League. When the Romans occupied the rest of Greece, Amphissa successfully repelled their attacks and was eventually allowed not to pay taxes to Rome. Considering the circumstances, it is surprising how much remains of the old Acropolis, which was built by using rectangular stone blocks. It was attacked, besieged, destroyed, and repaired many times by Macedonians, Gauls, Visigoths, Huns, Bulgarians, Slavs, Franks, Catalans, Turks, and others. The last modifications to the castle can be attributed to the German occupation during the Second World War. Modern bunkers can be seen at several points above the old castle, and, in some cases, even reusing materials from the classical period. Today is a public park which has a beautiful view of the modern city of Amphissa, with paths, picnic tables, and even a small theater. Amphissa can be reached by intercity bus from Athens. The castle is freely accessible and it can be visited 24 hours a day. It takes half an hour to visit the castle. And if you're planning to travel to the area, nearby you will find Delphi, about 20 kilometers to the east, one of the most important sanctuaries of antiquity, and Arachova, about 27 kilometers to the east, a charming mountain village. And that's all for today. See ya in the next adventure.